Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are good. So, today we are going to start our sixth lecture, that is from our second chapter, Our Country. Dear students, today our topics are the landscape of Pakistan, second one, living and working. Learning outcomes. You can easily explain the landscape of Pakistan. You can easily explain the living style and earning way of Pakistan's people. Our first topic is the landscape of Pakistan. The geography of Pakistan is a profound blend of landscapes, varying from plains to desert, forests, and plateaus ranging from the coastal areas of the Arabian Sea in the south to the mountains of the Karakoram, Hindu Kush, Himalayas ranges in the north. The Indus Plain. The Indus Valley Plain is flat landform in Pakistan, built up over centuries by sediments. Most of it lies within the Punjab and Sindh provinces. The plain is the western part of northern plain in Pakistan formed by the Indus River and its tributaries. The plain is extensively farmed for wheat, rice, sugarcane and cotton. Dear students, in Pakistan there are two main plains, Lower Indus Plain, Upper Indus Plain. First one is Lower Indus Plain. The Lower Indus Plain thus includes most of the Sindh province. The soil is very productive and wherever water is available, the crops blossom. Second one is Upper Indus Plain. The area north of Mithankot forms the Upper Indus Plain and is very fertile because of soil brought in by the Indus River, where all rivers meet at Panjat in the southern of Punjab. This is also called a heartland of agriculture. Rivers of Pakistan. The five rivers of Pakistan are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, and Indus. The Indus River. River Indus is the largest river of our country. After originating from Lake Manasarovar in Tibet, China, it passes through Himalayas and enters Pakistan near Gilgit, and the tributaries of the Indus meet at Panjna in the southern Punjab. This river enters the sea to the south of Karachi. Dear students, you can easily see in the picture which is given below. Next feature of Pakistan is plateau. A plateau is a raised flat land or a tableland or an area of fairly level high ground. In Pakistan, there are two main plateaus, Pothohar Plateau and Balochistan Plateau. The two main plateaus of Pakistan are the Balochistan Plateau and Pothohar Plateau. First one is Balochistan Plateau. Balochistan Plateau is a very rugged area, lies to the west of the Suleiman Ketar Range in the Balochistan province. Second one is Pothohar Plateau. Pothohar Plateau is located in the north of Punjab and west of Azad Kashmir. For example, northeastern parts of Pakistan. It has a different languages and cultures. Atak district, Jhelum district, Chakwal district, and Rawalpindi district constitute the Pothohar Plateau. Our next feature is deserts of Pakistan. Deserts in Pakistan make up a large part of a country geography, especially in the central and southeastern regions. The major deserts are Thar, Cholistan, Thar, and Haran. Students, these areas receive very little rainfall and have large tracts of barren wasteland, with formation of sand dunes rising sometimes to 150 meters above ground level. The desert areas also support wildlife, including desert jackals, foxes, wildcats, lizards, and snakes. Okay, students, our next topic is living and working. Pakistan is an agriculture country where 75% of population lives in rural areas. The country produces wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane, maize, and other cereal in sufficient quantity. Wheat is the leading food grain in Pakistan. Some of villages in Sindh and Punjab have grown into large towns and cities. Karachi is the capital city of Sindh province and the largest city in Pakistan. According to area and population, it is the fourth most populous city in the world. Cottage industries and handicrafts. Cottage or household industries hold an important position in the rural setup. Most villages are self-sufficient in the basic necessities. They have their own carpenters, cobblers, potters, craftsmen, and the cotton weavers. Many families depend on cottage industries for income. The Kashmiri shawls, the Balochi and Sindhi embroidery work, the Peshawari chappals and the carpet, camel skin lamps of Multan, Gujarati poetry, and the wood and brass work done in the different part of Pakistan have charm of their very own. Large industries. Cotton yarn, cotton cloth, made up textiles, ready-made garments, and knitwears collectively accounted for nearly 60% of Pakistan's exports in 1999 to 2000. Other important industries are cement, vegetable oil, fertilizer, sugar, steel, machinery, tobacco, paper and paperboard, chemicals, and food processing, etc. Okay, dear students, your today home task is question number 4, question number 5, question number 6, question number 7. Question number 4 is find out the names of main deserts in Pakistan. You know very well there are 4 main deserts. First one is Cholistan, Thar, Haran, and Thar. Question number 5. Where do the tributaries of the Indus River join it? Answer is the tributaries of the Indus meet at Pantnath in southern Punjab. Question number 6. Where does the river Indus enter the sea? The river Indus enters the sea to the south of Karachi. Question number 7. Where is the agricultural heartland of Pakistan? Answer is southern Punjab is the agricultural heartland of Pakistan because its soil is very fertile. Okay, dear students, let's start our bookwork page, page number 16. Our first part is A part. Complete your fact file to Pakistan by adding the names of provinces and the provincial capitals. Okay, you know very well there are 5 provinces of Pakistan. First one is Punjab and its capital is Lahore. Second one is Sindh and its capital is Karachi. Third one is Balochistan and its capital is Quetta. Next one is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and its capital is Peshawar. Next one is Gilgit and Baltistan and its capital is Gilgit. Okay students, our next part is B part. Look at the map of the world, write down the names of 5 countries larger than Pakistan and 5 smaller than Pakistan. Larger countries than Pakistan's are China, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Kazakhstan and Mongolia. Which countries are smaller than Pakistan? Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Brunei and Nepal. Guidelines for parents. All the main points discussed in the lecture. Make sure students listen to the lecture carefully. Question number 4, 5, 6 and 7 discussed in the lecture and also explained. So ask your child to do 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th questions. Make sure the spelling should be correct while writing answers. Make sure your child learn the home task on daily basis. Okay, dear students, hope you understood all the points. Complete your home task and work page on time. Thank you.